Now this never gets old. Too much traffic, looking for my chapstick. Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. It's chilly out and we're doing something I probably shouldn't be doing, but I'm gonna go ahead and do it anyway. We're gonna race on the same setup. Ain't got the cam in yet. We're gonna put the cam in Monday. This is Saturday. We're gonna put the cam in Monday and go from there, but here's where we are. We're back at Cecil County Dragway. It's a full test and tune. So that's all this here. So we should get a good number of runs in. We're here also with incredible Hemi, with Kong. He's over there. We got Stangmode coming. We got Streetspeed717 coming. And that's gonna be a dark horse against a 24 GT, Mustang GT. We'll try and get that race too and put it up, but because that's an interesting race. But stay tuned, here comes the racing.
Round one.
Alrighty folks, here we go, round one. I think we were spinning all the way down the line. Woo! I think we were spinning. Alrighty, thank you. Yeah, because the car says 10.8 at 131. Time slip says 10.79 at 131. So we'll go back to the pits, take a look at the log, see what happened, and we'll kind of go from there. All right, so after looking at the log, it didn't look like it spun, but what I did is after the burnout, I forgot to put it back in sport mode because with the way the taser works, if you use the line lock to do burnout, once you let go, it takes it out of sport mode and puts it back in normal mode. And I turned off traction control, but I think I forgot to put it back in sport mode. So we're gonna go up here for round 2, and hopefully I don't forget anything. You know, it's been a couple weeks since I've been to the track. I'm good for a rookie mistake. All right, stay tuned.
Round 2.
All right, folks, round 2. Good day for racing for Shake and Bake. Yeah, car says 10.7 at 133. Thank you. Oh yeah, this is terrible. 1.9 60 foot, 7.2 to the 8th at 107. 10.9 at 134, man. Terrible, terrible. But it is what it is. I don't think we're gonna go for another round because it is super crowded out there today. And you know, I'm running on borrowed time right now because we got to do the cam swap on Monday anyway. So I'm just gonna go park, call it a day, get some other videos of some other folks. And see what we can get videos of. Alrighty folks, it's a battle of the Mustangs. Streetspeed717 and his stock GT 2024 GT, and Stangmode with his stock Dark Horse. Both are on a drag pack. Y'all watch this race. This is a good one. All right, folks, so how about that race? Talk about close. That race was super close. And look at the times between the two cars. A stock 2024 GT 1205, stock 2024 Dark Horse 1207. So they are very, very evenly matched, stock for stock. Now, you Mustang guys can go into the differences between the two because I have no idea what the differences are. I know just tangentially listening to Stangmode, the Dark Horse is more of a track focused car versus a strip focused car, where the GT may be a little more better for the strip. I don't know, but that was one close race, that's for sure. And if you want to see the full deal, you can go watch on both their channels, Stangmode and Streetspeed717. But I just thought I would throw that in there. Thought that'd be an interesting race for everyone to take a look at. Alrighty, folks, not a good day for Shake and Bake. And I was pretty much told so, to not take her to the track until we did the cam. But you know me, I can't sit still for long. I can only sit still for so long. And just had the opportunity to come out to Cecil, hang out with Stangmode, Streetspeed717, and Incredible Hemi. So I couldn't pass up that opportunity. You know, Shake and Bake does what Shake and Bake does. It is what it is. You know, rookie mistake on the first run. I actually hooked, but forgot to put it back into sport mode after the burnout. And then I actually do everything right, and I spin. So, you know, that's the way it goes into track sometimes. It happens. But still had a blast, had a great time. Met Streetspeed717 for the first time. Great dude, super nice guy, really approachable, and he'll just sit there and talk to you. Great guy. Street Speed, I don't know if you watch my channel, but if you do, I appreciate it, man. That was pretty cool. And Stangmode, he's another one. Great guy, very approachable. Sit there and talk to you, you know, all day long if you want to sit and talk. Both are great guys. Both have awesome channels. Go check them out. You know, if you're living under a rock, go check them out. But yeah, had a great time as always at the track. Always have a good time at the track. No matter what times we run, always have a good time at the track. That's going to do it for this, folks. If you're stopping in for the first time, please check out the rest of the channel. If you like what's going on with the rest of the channel, do me them few things. Like, subscribe, smash the bell, shoot me a comment, share it on your social media. I'll definitely appreciate it. Shake and Bake will definitely appreciate it, because every red penny from YouTube goes right back into Shake and Bake. That's it for this, folks. Until next time, adios.